Happy Saturday, everybody. It's your girl Tanya doing her Saturday heart health, the walk, taking some time for myself. We are out here on this nature trail. Take a look. You guys, this is so peaceful and serene. Your girl has been having some baseballs thrown at her, and it hurts. Them baseballs is hurting. But I decided that I'm going to get up, get out, show up, show out, and I'm going to do my thing. And I'm not going to let nothing or nobody steal my joy. So this is part of clearing my mental health, getting out here. And sometime on the trail, they will have rocks, like people, they paint rocks, and you can find them. I sometimes take them. I don't know if you're supposed to re-hide them, but sometimes they are so beautiful, and I just take it. But it's funny because these are things that, again, back in New York, I guess you can tell, I really love my home state of New York. When my kids were little, we'd get up and do this. Especially on a Saturday, I would get up and I would go to the park and, walk the track and stuff. And it really helps. And maybe it'll help me sleep today. These two gentlemen are out here fishing. I'm gonna show you the back of them. So they going to get some serious fish. That's some good eating. But let me show you. I'm gonna walk and talk as you guys, check out the scenery. So okay, see, they found one.
It says affirmation. It says hope, smile, love, and hope.
Let me see.
It says hope.
Let me see the rocks, you guys. See, this is. See, told you they find rocks. Here, Mama.
Hold it. I need to keep them. Either y'all can keep them or y'all can hide them for somebody else to find them. They're going down there on our street. Slow down.
So that was one. I didn't get to see the other rocks, so now I'm gonna look and see if I can find a rock. But that's what people do. They put the rocks out. So I'm gonna show you this one again because this. Hope, love, smile. I needed that. And the fun thing is you don't know where the rocks are gonna be. You just gotta look. Look at that. Hope you guys are doing something for your mental health. Get out and walk and get some sun, get that vitamin D. And they were quick to find them rocks. Gosh, I wish I could find one. I have one in my office that I found.
She has her moments where her needles swell up. My grandma had
Here's more people doing a Saturday walk. Probably looking for rocks and stuff. Not just looking for rocks, but walking. You see, you can go down that way. And it has landmarks. So, but it's just one big circle. But it's good.
Please don't go too close to that water.
Now, I wouldn't do this by myself. All right, you guys, we're looking for rocks. We don't see anything yet. Look, box elder. I don't see any rocks to go that way, but we elected to go straight. So there's so many. This trail is really, really, really big. It's really big. I have yet to see any snakes or any wild animals out here. But like I said, you know, I choose not to come out here by myself. And the little kids, they just run into the little water so you can go that way. And I'll show you the water. Someone's just sitting out here relaxing. Oh, I didn't realize they had a bench out here. People are trying to be peaceful. Shh, people are trying to sit out here and be peaceful. How you doing? Here the dogs come, I know. Look, see, I didn't realize all this was over here. Now, as long as I've been out here, and as long as I've been walking, you know, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is just simply beautiful. Look at that. That is simply beautiful. Can you tell when kids are ghosts with really? But these are the hollandest kids I have ever met in all my life. Look at that. Look at that. Come out here. You got something on your mind and you just sit out here and just feel the breeze and look at the water and just thank God for the beautiful nature. And I thank God that I'm just free and, you know, I'm not going to say I'm not without stressors of life. But then I come out here and I look at this and I'm like, why? Why spend your time on the negativity? You know, look at all this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful nature. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. You guys, when I tell you it feels so good out here, it feels so, so good, so good. You know, there was one time where I wouldn't just soak in the nature and just be in love with the earth and what is free. This is something that is free. And besides being free, it will help your mental map. And it's just nice and just beautiful. It's beautiful and I love it. Take it all in. Let's look at this. Just beautiful. You know, this reminds me of a puzzle. You ever get that puzzle and you doing that puzzle? That's what this looks like. Look at that. Just looks like a puzzle. That's too close. I wanted you to see. Look at that. Just look at that. Looks like a puzzle.
I found a stick.
Looks like a puzzle. If you get a chance, get out and get some of that nature. Just love on your mental And don't think about anything or anybody. Don't let it steal your joy. Say, today is my day for mental health. Today is my day to take care of my mental health. And it's free. And it's so peaceful and serene. I love, love, love it. I'm so proud of myself. So, look at this. I guess couples came out here and put their mark on the tree. And then didn't have to be couples, it could have been individuals. Then they did it over here. Let's see. AJ must love TM because they in a heart. Dear J. Look at that tree. Now, what does that look like to you? What does that look like to you? What does that look like to you? Saying, Lord, I surrender. I surrender all. I surrender. I surrender all. No, I can't sing. Let me stop. Let me stop. All right, you guys. I'm heading on my way back. I don't think I'll find another rock, but thank you for going with me on this peaceful walk and enjoy your day. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and most of all, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And again, tomorrow I'll be going live to oh no, that's not ours. Thank you though. I will be going on doing a live and chit-chatting. So tune in tomorrow, 9 a.m. Alrighty, until later, until tomorrow. Thank you for my subscribers, my new subscribers, all my subscribers, and even the ones who don't know they're gonna subscribe yet. Thank you, and welcome to the channel.